fix Facebook professional mode not available. So to fix Facebook professional mode not showing on your mobile device, the first thing what you can do is go to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Facebook app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. Now the next thing what you can do is unlock your profile. Just open your Facebook app, then tap the menu in the top left corner, then navigate to settings and privacy, then tap settings. Now scroll down to audience and visibility section, then tap profile locking, then tap unlock if your account is locked, because professional mode requires a public profile status. Now if you're on Android device, long press the app icon, go to app info and clear your cache and storage. On iPhone, go to the settings, then tap general. Now tap iPhone storage. Now find Facebook from the list, then tap on it, then tap upload app. Now to confirm, tap upload app one more time. Once you do that, you'll see the reinstall app button right here. Simply tap on it or just go to your Apple App Store, find the Facebook app, and then reinstall it from there. Also, make sure that you're logged into your primary personal profile and not an existing page or secondary business login. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.